Low. First shot, basket. Number 11, basket kaya? No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 229. Jersey number 2, pass number 221. Shoot, number 21. Number 21, no good. Nakuha ni jersey number 14. Number 14, 4 minutes exactly. Nakuha ni jersey number 2, pass number 229. Low. Number 229. Low. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 221. Number 21. Naghanap na magbasa. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 21. Number 21 fake. Number 21 for the drive. 6. Number 6. Nag-hesitate. Pass number 18. Number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 7. Pass number 14 sa labas. Number 14. No good. Nakuha ni. Out of bounds. Jersey number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 18. 2 traveling minutes sa labas. Number 221. 3 points. Para kay number 2. Lamang pa rin ang Boston. Jersey number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Back to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Pupukol ng 3. No good. Now put back to number 18. Basket. Number 221, pinasakay. Jersey number 2, 10 seconds to shoot. Exactly 2 minutes remaining time. Still. Jersey number, pass to number 11. Number 11, foul. First shot, no good. Second shot. Basket kaya? Basket na yan. Para kay Tawan. Pupukol ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 6. Foul rebound. Number 6 inaagawan. Jersey number 6. Pagmamadali. Number 6. Pass to number 14. Jersey number 7 pala yun. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 221. Pass to jersey number 229. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 6. 3 points. Jersey number 221. Score natin. 12-11. 50 seconds. Jersey number 221. Sumasaya. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 221. Pass to number 2. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 6. Binato. Kanino? Kay jersey number 7. Number 7 naangat. Number 7. Back pass. Good connection. Number 221. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 18. 25 seconds. Nakuha ni jersey number 221. Pass to number 229. 15 seconds. Shot lako. 29. Pass to number 221. Number 21. Easy 2 points. 5 seconds. Wala na oras. End of the first 15. Number 14, nakita si number 9. Number 9, easy 2 points para kay number 9. Sa number 221 din. 10 seconds to shoot. Just number 21 ng likod. Foul! Basket. Basket pa rin. 2-4. 17-16. Kapasa isang kalamangan ng Archer Plumbing. Jersey number 6, easy 2 points. 21. Number 21 na Araro. Number 221, easy 2 points. 10 seconds to shoot. Exactly 7 minutes remaining time. Number 14, 3 points. Jersey number 221. Number 221, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 221 din. Number 221, babawi kaya? No good. Nakuha ni number 31. Pass to number 77. Back to number 31. Pass to number 14. Nakita si Still, ni number 221. Number 21 nagmamadali. Number 221. Easy layup para kay number 221. Number 14. Long three. No good. Nakakuha ni number 221. Number 221. Number 221. Still ni number 14. Number 14. Boston's ball. Shoot. Pass to number 221 then. Number 21 fake. Pass to number 2. Basket. 14. 15 seconds. Shoot now. Number 31. No good. Number 29. Pass to number 221. Number 21. Foul. Number 221, 15 seconds to shoot. Now to see number 229. Number 229, lock 2. Just number 14, titira. Nag-hesitate. Pass number 31. Number 31, no good. Nakakuha ni just number 221. Binato kay number 21. Number 21, tumapol ba? Easy to do. Just number 6. Still, ni number 221, number 21, number 21, number 221, number 221, pass number 2, back to number 221, number 21, pasabit, number 14, setting a play, 15 seconds to shoot, just number 5, pass to, just number, back to number 14, number 14, foul, just number 14, pupukol ng tres, no good, nakuha ni, jersey number 18, putback, basket pa ng kalamangan, out of bounds. For the second quarter, jersey number 6, pupukol ng tres, jersey number 6, jersey number 221, 10 seconds to shoot, number 229, basket, 2 points, jersey number 6, 9 seconds to shoot, 5 seconds to shoot, number 221, number 21, foul. First foul, rep. 2 shots para kay jersey number 221. Basket, ang unang. Second shot. Basket pa rin. Ang nipis. Boston. Jersey number 6. Bumukol ng tres. No good. Nakuha ni. Nagagawang buko. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21. Nagmamadala number 21. Number 21. Lumipad. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Number 6. Gumunggo. Number 6. Pass to. Number 11. Number 11. Gumunggo. Foul. First foul rep. First shot. Basket. Ang first shot. Number 11. Basket kaya. Basket pa rin. 2 for 2. Si number 11. Number 229. Naganda seconds to shoot. Number 21. Pass number 229. Number 29. No good. Nakuha ni. Number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 14. Back to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Long 3. No good. Nakuha ni. Back to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Easy 2 points. Lamang na ang Archer Plumbing. Just number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Exactly 1 minute remaining time para sa second quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Still ni number 6. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Easy 2 points para kay number 14. 3 seconds. Just number 6. Number 6, pumukol ng tres. No good. Nakuha ni number 21. Foul. Jersey number 4. No good. Ang first. Basket na yan. 36. Lamang ang Archer Plumbing. 10 seconds. Number 14. Pass to number 6. 5 seconds. Number 6. No good. Oras. End of the second quarter. Score natin. 36-38. Lamang ng dalawa ang Archer Plumbing.
Ayaw lumayo.
back to the ball game. Pasok na para sa third quarter. Long three. No good. Nakuha ni just number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 6. Number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 5. No good. Nakuha ni just number 6. Basket para kay just number just number 11. Number 11. Foul. Who's foul rep? 7. Number 11 pala yun. First shot. Basket. Basket kaya. Basket pa rin. Number 11. Din. Number 2. No good. Nakuha niya just number 11. 56. Anim ang kalamangan. Just number 5. Number 5. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Same ball. Just number 6. Pass to number 11. No good. Number 11 pa rin. Number 11. Inaagawan. Just number 6. Pass to senior. Number 18. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Pass to number 5 seconds to shoot. Basket. Para kay number 11 ng Archer Plumbing. Just number 31. Number 21. Number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. No good. Now one number 12. Rebound ni number 18. Number 18. Pass to na steal ni number 12. Just number 21. Pass to number 21 din. Number 21 lumipad. Kinaliwa. Rebound ni number 229. Number 29. No good. Nakuha ni number 7. Just number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 bumunggo. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Pass to steal ni number 21. Pass to number 2. Number 2 lumipad. Basket para kay number 2. Just sa anim ang kalamangan. Number 7. Pass to number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Rebound ni number 12. Pass to number 229. Number 229. Pass to number 2. Number 2 nagmamadali. Number 2. Number 2 lilipad back. Number 2 lumipad. Foul. First shot. No good. Second shot ni number 2. Babasket kaya. 18. Number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 221 10. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Number 6. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. First shot. Basket. Umawa ba? Basket ang isa. Second shot. Basket kaya. No good. Nakuha ni number 11 pa rin. Number 11. No good. Nakuha ni number 229. Pass to number 221. Number 21. Umatake. Number 221. Basket. Score natin. 45. 40. 46. Ay. 45. 41. Bumasa apat ang kalamangan. Just number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. No good. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Pass to number is 2 points para kay number 11. Score natin. 40. Number 21. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 2. Number 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Nasundutan. Nakuha pa rin niya. Number 14. Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Pass to number 6. Long 3. Number 14. Number 6 balat. No good. Number 29. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to 1-on-1. No good. seconds. Number 14, pupul ng 3 sa malayo. 14, just number 21. Grab yun. Number 21, traveling violation. Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Pupul ng malayo. Number 14. Just number 21, sumasayaw. Number 21, pass to number 21 then. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21, number 21, niluwa. Just number 2, pass to, sino yun? Just number 18. Pass to number 6, lilipat ba? Number 6, foul. 2 seconds to shoot. Just number 14, lock to, no good. Nakuha ni, number 14. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14, 5 seconds to shoot. Good. Nakuha nino, niluwa. Number mo. Number 29. Pass number 21. Number 21. Nagpakunta number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Pass number 2. Number 2. Pass number 0. Back to number 21. Number 21. Basket ka! Just number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Foul. Oras po natin, 44 seconds. Nakuha nino, number 21. Number 21. Nasunod, number 21 pa rin. Pass to, number 2. Number 2. Pass number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Dalawang sumabay. Basket. 15 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. Number 14. Number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Pass to number 9. Number 9, no good. 10 seconds. Shot clock off. Number 6, no good. Nakuha nino. 5 seconds. Basket. Sino yun? Dalawa kayo. Wala nang oras. End of the third quarter. Score natin. 55-46. Shama. Number 21. Pass to number 29. No good. Nakuha ni number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Dandan winawang bola. Number 14. Long 3. Patay ka na. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2. Number 2 na pamatili. Number 2. Number 2. No good. Nakuha ni number. Same ball. Nakuha ni. Pass to number 21. Nakuha ni. Just number 17. Number 11 pala. Pass number 6. Pass number. Sino yun? Tumingin pa. Number 18. Nagpamadali. Number 21. Lumipad. Basket. Just number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 6. Number 6. 3 seconds. Pass to number 21. Number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Babasahan ni mga kalawangan. Just number 14. Pass to number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Number 6 sa attack. Number 6. Kung may lalim. Basket. Lawang pa rin ang Archer Planning. Just number 21. Number 21. Basket. Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. 3 points. Just number 21. Number 21. No good. Nakuha ni. Just number 2. Number 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Just number 14. Exactly, 5 minutes remaining time. Number 6. Number 6, back to back. 3 points. Just number 21. Just number 14. Just number 14. Just number 14. Number 14. No good. Nakuha ni. Number 21. Number 21 na pamadali. Pass to. Number 2. Number 2, lilipat. 2 points. Just number 2. 14 seconds to shoot. Just number 18. Pass to number 14. Sa malayo ulit. Number 14. 21. Sa malayo rin. Number 21. No good. Nakuha ni. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Oras natin. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 6. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 6. Number 6. Nawala ang bola. Pasensya na po kayo. Pasinsa ba? 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 6. Nagdadalaga po. Pasensya na. Same ball. Number 21 umikot. Pass to number 2. Number 0. Basket. Oras natin. Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. First foul left. Jersey. First shot. Basket. Second shot. Number 11. No good. Nawani. Mamadali. Number 21. Walang bola. Number 21 pa rin. Number 21. Foul. 2 shots. Barakan ka. Ni number 21. Basket. Score natin. In and out. Nakuha ni number 11. Score natin. 68-60. Number 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Bumali. Basket. Number 21. Sumasayaw. Number 21. Umatake. Basket. Para just number 21. Pass to number. Wala. Just number 14. Number 14. Foul. Ay. Naka-play. Pass to number 18. Basket. No good. Score natin. 72-64. Walo ang kalamangan. Oras natin. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 18. Easy 2 points. Ang nanalo. Archer Tulaming. Score natin. 74-64.
Picture dito. Sa maliwanag. Picture. Kaya ikaw dali yan. Diba ito yung pinag-pinag. Paano mag-picture dito? Gazot! Vlogger pa naman.
Nagpapicturean mo ba yun?
Ay, isa pa. Hindi yata gumana. Sayang naman. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay.